So here's how to check your liked videos on TikTok. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your TikTok application. And now from here, you need to select, or let me just like it for real quick. So here is the heart button, which is the like. So once you have done liking a video, now I will show you how you can check your liked videos. So for that reason, you need to go to the profile icon on the bottom right side corner, and then from here you will probably see this heart icon. So select this one, and now as you can see we have got this. So this is the video I have recently liked. So this is the video I have find out. So that's how you can check your liked videos on TikTok. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.